I have the DeeRC Z65 future plane out here today after I converted it to 2S brushless. This is going to be the first test flight. So let's bring it out here and throw it into the wind and hopefully everything goes well. Alright, we've got about 4-mile-an-hour wind out here this morning. Alright, launching. Looks like I'm getting a lot of oscillations from the gyro. I have very little up elevator. Okay, so alright, got a little, I've got full elevator in it right now. Alright, so let's see here. Ah! Alright, well at least we got it launched. Seems very pitch sensitive. I can't tell if it's I can't tell. Yeah, it must be I would say it's got to be tail heavy, right? Look at that. Yeah, I think we're tail heavy. Okay, I have a nickel of nose ballast weight on it. That puts it at 98 grams. So let's see what this does. Okay, launching. Alright, that may be just a little too much nose weight. I think. Yeah, that's a little too much nose weight. I got a nickel on there, that's 5 grams. I think I need to kick it back to a penny. How about that? I think once I get this CG set, I think it's going to be, like I said, I think it's going to be, check it out, there's a roll. I think it's going to be a good airframe. It is definitely, ooh, there's a lot of oscillations there. Plenty of power. Alright, well, I got some work to do on it, but I think what I said, I think this is going to be, it's a good airframe. I think that I think this 2S conversion, I think it's going to work out. I think it's going to work out just fine once I get my balance all set up. Okay, so my initial testing of this didn't go as I'd hoped, but it looks like I'm definitely going to be able to get there, right? It looks like I'm definitely going to be able to get there. That is cool. Plenty of roll authority. Looks like I need a little more elevator authority on it. But check that out. Ooh, lose it in the sun. Yeah, I think that's going to make a fine 2S brushless plane. Let's try a right roll this time. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Got some work to do, but I think it's going to get there. I think this is going to be an awesome little 2S brushless jet. I think it's going to end up, I think once I get it tuned, it's going to handle really, really well. Alright, so I'll have to try some a little bit less nose ballast weight on it and try it again. I got to figure out what's going on with my ESC, I think, when I get it back. I don't know why it's pulsing the motor like that, but anyway, not completely successful, not a complete failure, somewhere in between, I think. By the look of it, once I put the 5 grams of nose ballast weight on it, I think that's a little bit too much nose ballast weight. I'll try it again with about 2.5 to 3 grams of nose ballast weight. Once I get the CG set up and get it balanced where it needs to be, I'll see if I can modify the battery bay to get the CG. But I'm liking what I see. I think if I don't tear it up before I get it all lined out, I think it's going to be a really nice flying little 2S brushless sub 100 gram jet. So stay tuned for that. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.